enjoy the Origin tonight, okay? Watch the game for 80 minutes, and then when Queensland win, go back and study your books.
Most incredible, baby.
Oh, what was the first name?
Whaluia se silafanga mo lunga loa whionga pākele. O lau whakamāli le nei. O le a o wholawholo ina aku. Ai uwhikai i le ie o le mālo.
Awesome.
But once a kamali speaks, that's it. If there's a debate in our church or in our family, there's an argument, once the kamali speaks and whatever he decides, that's where we all go with that. And we call the thinking or the thoughts of a kamali o le ko wha.
Just go over your lines together, okay? Give everyone a chance to have a go. Because when we do it as a big group, you only get to do it once. But this, you can mentor each other in your small groups. The Apolo and I are going to rotate.
Yeah. All the matais, you crowd around the back of him. So you sit here, Jazz. You sit over here, Vai. So you've got a matai right in his ear. You've got a matai right on his ear, right on his shoulder. You've got the girl that's been doing the money, and the rest. So soiluma o kou. Huh? Okay, how does this look from over there? What does this tell you about this family? Very supportive, eh? Well, let's see, for me, is we have a roll of ear, you know, because they buy the whole ear pālangi. Originally, that was just a piece of square, probably the size of that tray, tapa cloth. Sometimes he calls it a vala. It was just to cover the table that they would, you know, to put in front of them to eat. But now, now it's started off with 2 meters of material, then it became 5, then it became 10. Now we've got a whole damn roll.
All of these people here is Melbourne. This is all you. Because your Kāingoa, your Taupou, your Aumanga, your elite titles, your Tula Whale titles. On this side would be Auckland. Our elite titles and our Fiafia will sit here, and our Tula Whales will sit over there. Okay, everyone else, sit outside. So please, practice, go over your notes, okay? Go over the English. If you don't know what you're saying in English, it's gonna be 10 times harder to remember. But if you study the English, cool, I've got it. Because you are gonna get stuck. Everyone gets stuck. But if you know what you're saying in English, it's gonna flow and it's gonna fall into place.